Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select FTP File Transfer Protocol. You can name the connection for easy reference. Skip it to let RemoteDrive name it automatically based on the server's name. Now enter the server details. Type in the host IP or host name and specify the port number. If left blank, RemoteDrive will use default settings. Keep the default, use explicit over TLS if available for encryption. Change it only if necessary. Avoid only use plain FTP as it is highly insecure. Next, fill in your login details. Keep logon type as normal, then enter your user ID and password. Click Add and Connect to set up and establish the connection. If prompted, review the server certificate. Click OK and flag they'll always trust this certificate to prevent future prompts. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. To copy the path of a file or directory, right-click the item and select Copy URL. You can now paste it wherever needed. You learned how to set up RemoteDrive to connect to an FTP or FTP server. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.